Ocean County.
They went off again.
Southeastern Middlesex County.
They went off again, dude.
At 1:31 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along
Another
a line
snow
extending
squall
from near
warning.
Kingsburg to Emleystown,
Gotta go
moving
on.
east at 30 miles per hour.
Wow, another snow squall warning.
Intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to
We got another snow squall warning.
visibility. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source:
Dude,
radar and webcam.
another snow squall warning.
Impact. Travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous
Observe.
within minutes. This
Right
includes
there.
the following highways: Interstate
Yo!
1, New Jersey between mile markers 9
Ah.
and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile
We got
markers
another
92
snow
and
squall warning. What the
122.
heck, dude?
Locations impacted include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge,
Who's not showing?
Marlboro, Manalapan, Tinton Falls, Holdell, Red Bank, Kingsburg, Methuen, Manasquan, Highlands, Point Pleasant Beach, Allentown, Farmingdale,
It's
and
not
Roosevelt.
showing up.
Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are
Yo,
expected with
another
dangerous
snow squall warning.
Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel.
They
until the
went
snowfall
off
passes your
again.
location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time.
What the heck, dude?
Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents.
They just went off again.
The offshore waters forecast for Hudson Canyon to Baltimore Canyon out to 1,000 fathoms.
What the heck?
The